We are here at Hyderabad International Airport, and today we are going to give you a tour of what it is going to be like in COVID times to fly. The check-in, the trolleys, the disinfection tunnels. We'll tell you all about all of them. There is a lift that's going to be non-touch as well, but we are taking the escalator right now. We are at Hyderabad International Airport, and once you arrive either in your Ola or in a car, your own personal car, these trolleys have been disinfected for your personal use. The first touch will be of the passenger after the disinfection happens. Today I'm not carrying any luggage, so I'm not going to take this trolley. This is a new waiting area that's been created. The Government of India has in fact said that you must come in with your boarding pass itself, but Hyderabad Airport has given you the option of in fact getting your ticket, and without any touch you will be able to get your boarding pass. I'm in fact going to be joined by the CEO of Hyderabad GMR International Airport, Mr. S.K. Kishore. Thank you for joining us. What happens here at the beginning?
So this is the main terminal entry for all the passengers. So this is the place where we check for the whether the passenger is having a boarding card or a air ticket, and then also the thermal screening will be happening here. The security person here has a handheld thermal gun, so he will check the temperature from a distance, and once the passenger is not having temperature, so he is an asymptomatic passenger, so he will be let in.
So unlike other airports, you are allowing people to actually come in just with a ticket as well and go in. What happens next?
The ideal advisory given by the ministry is that it is desirable that the passenger does the web check-in at his home, so that there will not be any issue here. But in Hyderabad, what we have done is we are giving a facility, because some people may not be having facility of web check-in, etc. So we put a bank of self-check-in kiosks here, which can be controlled through your smartphone, so that there is no touch. So the whole idea is minimizing the touch.
So this kiosk is actually new. I have not seen it at the airport earlier.
Kiosk is for the self-check-in with remote control. Maybe we'll just demonstrate how this technology works. Maybe we can walk.
Social distancing has been created even here to say that passengers will have to maintain that distance between one and the other. Let's just now check out how these kiosks are going to work without touch.
Yeah, so this is the self-check-in machine, and we'll demonstrate how a passenger with a smartphone can control the kiosk and does all his operations processing through his smartphone. Okay. So I will ask Mr. Srinath Prasad, who has developed this particular facility. All this innovation has been developed in-house. So he is our IT head, so he will demonstrate how to do it.
So what you need to do is just scan this QR code.
There is a QR code for every machine, so just scan it. Almost all the smartphones have a QR code scanner.
Right. That's it. The screen is captured on your mobile.
Whatever screen is there, it comes on the smartphone. So you just
So
do all the controls through your smartphone.
I'm selecting AirAsia.
So you will get an e-boarding pass on this?
E-boarding pass as well as back
Physical
tag.
one.
Back tag as well.
Okay.
And what we are doing is we'll also put one airline agent here in case someone doesn't have a smartphone. So he can give his PNR number to the airline agent, and the airline agent in turn will operate these machines through his smartphone. So we are giving this additional facility to the passengers, even though the government advisory is only to mandatorily get the boarding cards at home through web check-in, but we are giving this additional facility for Hyderabad passengers.
See sir, it is asking more number of screens. Some other airline.
Oh, this tag is what you are referring to.
This black tag also can be printed here. So you just wrap it around, so the boarding card is coming, the back tag is coming, no one will touch, the passenger himself will touch. Now he can stick the back tag around his back if he has a checked-in bag. Just go into the terminal, we'll see there, you just drop it.
Okay.
Once you are cleared by the security person, the thermal scanning and your boarding card, and if you have not got your boarding card at home, you can use the self check-in kiosk and get your boarding tag and the boarding card in the bag tags. Then is the time for getting into the terminal. And people with hand baggage, there will be a separate queue so that they can go directly into the security. Whereas people with the checked-in baggage can get into the terminal through the normal entry. So there is a fast track for the hand baggage people, for the passengers in Hyderabad. So these are the contactless sanitizer dispensing stations which we have put in the terminal, all over the terminal. So we advise and suggest, recommend to passengers to use these sanitizers as frequently as possible, so you get proper cleaning of your hands as frequently as possible. And then the time for entering into the terminal. Now this is another innovation what we have done here, where ideally your security identity card and the boarding card has to be displayed to the CSO personnel here. But here we have made an innovation wherein there is a camera where you can flash your boarding card or the security card. Whatever you are showing will be displayed on your screen so that you can position it appropriately. And the CSO person will be checking that. Once he is convinced that you are having the proper identity card, he will ask you to get into the terminal, permit you to get into the terminal.
It is able to capture it. So this is my boarding pass and this is the iCard that I am now displaying to this camera so that we can get an entry. Once the CISF person gives me the green signal, he is convinced that I am a genuine passenger with a good with a valid boarding card, then I can walk in.
Yes.
One was the non-contact thermometer, the other is this non-intrusive thermal cameras. Tell us about it.
Yeah, so these are the non-intrusive thermal cameras which we'll be going to put across the terminal at the terminal entry. The advantage of these non-intrusive thermal cameras is there is no proximity or no contact of the screening person with the passenger. So this will be done automatically as the passenger enters the terminal. There is a screen which captures each passenger's face along with his temperature. So if anyone goes beyond the normal temperature, there will be an alert and it will be very easy for the CSO person to whisk him away to the side and hand him over to the health authorities. Now this is another innovation what we have done. This is the normal information counter which we have. So any passenger who needs some information, who wants to seek some information, be it which check-in counter, which airline, time, everything. So we have now, this is the agent will be in a remote place and you can talk to him. You can try it.
Okay, if I'm going to take a flight to Chennai, would you be able to tell me any information about quarantine there?
Sir, about the quarantine, you have to follow the state guidelines, what the state has provided, and you can get in touch with the airlines for more further details.
What about my luggage? What do I do next with my luggage which I need to check in?
Yeah, which airlines you are traveling, ma'am?
SpiceJet.
SpiceJet. You need to go to row E on your right hand side straight and take the first left. Go to the counter and the check-in agent will help you out in dropping the baggage.
So this is a demonstration of a non-contact, no person is here, but I can pose my questions here. There's a camera that's capturing me and a stereo that is giving us the audio of the person who is in real time answering your queries.
So now we have entered the terminal. So the next step what a passenger has to do is, if he has a checked-in baggage, he has to go to the concerned airline check-in counter. There are FITS, flight information displays, which tell you which counter you have to go. But as we have seen, there is also an assistant, virtual assistant there, who can guide you to which counter at all you should go. And then go to that counter and just drop your bag. Because already you have checked in, you have a boarding card, you already printed your bag tags there, and you have wrapped it around your bag. The simple step what you'll have to do here is, one is we have an automatic self bag drop. In addition to that, the normal counters, we have converted them into backdrops. There will be an assistant, there will be an airline agent who will help you out. You just drop your bag and walk for the security. The automatic self bag drop, where the passenger himself can come, scan his boarding pass here, and the bag tags will be dispensed, you wrap it around your bag and you leave it. So this is one system what we have at the Hyderabad airport. We'll be increasing these sort of units, but for the lockdown we could have put more units, but these units will be coming.
So non-contact is the policy everywhere.
Absolutely, no one will be there, and you'll have to just drop your bag here. So this is automatic self bag drop, and then we can also go to a normal check-in counter, which we have converted now into bag drops with the help of a airline agent, because the boarding cards have already been given either at home or at the self check-in this thing. So come here, drop your bag, and done away with your check-in process.
So if your tag is already on your luggage, then you just need to drop it here.
Absolutely. And in case, what we have done is, in case there is an issue, you don't have a smartphone, you don't know how to do it, we have placed airline agents there who will help you out. But in case you have missed it out, you can just on a paper you can write down your PNR number, tag it to your bag, leave it here. The airline people will do the rest of the process.
So these kind of glass counters have been put up so that the aerosol does not transmit from the customer to the staff or the other way around. And even though you are expected to in fact get your boarding pass from outside itself, there is a facility for getting a baggage tag as well as a boarding pass from these. This is your baggage tag. This is a dummy one that he has created just to demonstrate to us, and there is also facility to get a boarding pass.
This is another innovation what we have done at Hyderabad airport. All the tap fountains is with sensor based. You need not touch any button or knob or anything. Just go there and the water comes. Right? And this we will also be doing in the washroom taps. So it will all be sensor based. The whole idea is how do we bring in contactless technologies across the terminal. So post COVID, we are focusing on three different aspects. One is contactless technologies. Wherever in the normal procedure there is a contact, how can we avoid that contact? That's number one. So this is all contactless technologies what you have seen. Second is the tracking technologies. Tracking in the sense, see whether people are wearing the mask or not, see whether there is a crowd happening. So the cameras which are there all over the terminal, they will be tracking and they will be giving alerts to us, so that the security personnel and the airport personnel can immediately intervene. So these are the tracking technologies. The third one is more periodical hygiene and sanitization and fumigation. So what all surfaces we are having, we will be sanitizing them more frequently using hydrogen peroxide based and sodium hypochlorite based things. You have seen the trolley tunnels. Now we will also be showing when you are doing the security, when you are the hand baggage trays. There is one study where they say that because the hand baggage trays are being touched frequently by people, those are one of the most infected surfaces. So we have come out with an innovation where all the hand baggage trays go through a disinfection tunnel before it reaches to the passenger. So maybe we'll have a demonstration of that here.
We are now in the security hold area, and this is where you're going to be sending your luggage for scanning, and each of these trays has come sanitized through a tunnel, after which I put whatever the luggage that I have carry only my boarding pass, of course, as usual. I don't even need my iCard, and I then go into the security checking area.
No, what you do now? You put the tray here. Yes. So once the bags are cleared, the passenger picks up their own bags. The agent here will put this tray into the disinfection tunnel, so that this entire tray will be going through a spray of hydrogen peroxide, and that will be fed back to the entry of the screening machine. So the disinfected trays is the one which the passenger will be picking up on the other side. So this is another innovation what we have done here. We have seamlessly integrated this tray disinfection tunnels to the existing screening machines, and this entire thing has been fabricated in-house. And so what we are ensuring and assuring to the passengers is the tray, the hand baggage tray which they will be picking up at the beginning of the security lane is a clear disinfected tray. And after every usage, the tray will compulsorily pass through the disinfection tunnel, and then the trays will be recirculated back for a fresh passenger.
This is a tray disinfection tunnel in which hydrogen peroxide is the chemical that's being used, and every tray that you get on the other side is totally disinfected, and you're able to put your luggage, touch a tray which is disinfected, and then put your luggage for scanning. In Hyderabad with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.